Start. Good morning, students. So you are going to study today the math class 3rd and the topic number 2, that is addition and subtraction. In previous class, means in second standard, you already learned about the addition and the subtraction. So these two are the mathematical functions. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, all these four are the mathematical function. So addition and subtraction, this is the first one terms, mathematical function you can say, very simple term it is, but just you follow some rule here, which way you are going to add the value, which way you are to subtract the value. So do you know, you remember that if you add some value, some rules or some steps you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind. After that you have to solve different types of the problem. So if you add any number, so means you have to subtract any number, those number are given. So the value of the means answer is that number itself. Means if you subtract 10 minus 0, so number is 10. Okay, if you subtract, if you add 12 minus 0, the number is itself. Okay, so here if you add 0 in any number, the answer is always the number itself. When you subtract any number, the answer is always the number itself. So here in previous class you learn about the addition up to the 3-digit number. Addition up to 3-digit number. If you have to take the example of 242 plus 324. So this is the simple addition of the 3-digit number. So which way you are going to solve this problem? You are going to solve this problem. First you have to put this number proper place. So here 100, here this one is the 3-digit number and this one is the 3-digit number. Both these number are 3-digit number. No doubt. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you have to arrange this properly. 100 place, 10 place and 1 place. So see, take first number 242 plus 324. So you arrange this number properly. See, you have to add first 0 number place value. Means 2 plus 4 is 6. After that you come 10 place. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the answer? 566 is the answer. So all these things you learn in our previous class. But now you have to study here the addition of 4-digit number. I just take the example 1, addition of 4-digit number you are going to study now. So you have to take the one example plus. So dears, this is the 4-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In both the number, the digit are same. Okay, 4 digit. So our first step is that. What is our first step? Our first step is that you have to arrange this number properly. Which way you have to? Is 4 digit are there. Means this is the 1 place, this is the 10 place, this is the 100 place, and this is the 1000 place. So you have to arrange this in proper manner. So here first number is 2423. After that 3244. This is our first step. In first step you have to arrange this value in proper way. Okay. So after in next step, means in second step, you have what you do in second step. You have to add the value in one place. In one place 3 plus 4. What is the total of 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4 means 7. Okay. After that 10 place. 10 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Simple addition is there. After that 4 plus 2 is 6. And after lastly 2 plus 3 is 5. So what is the addition of 2423 plus 3244 is 5667 is the addition of 4-digit number. Understood, students? Have you got this point? If you add the addition of 4-digit number, our first step is that you have to arrange that number in proper place. No need to go miss that 100 place you have to keep here 10 place, 1 place is keep in the 1000 place. No, properly you have to keep this value like this way. This is our main step. You have to arrange this value in proper way. Okay, if you arrange this value in proper way, then you have to do the addition in right side first. This is our right side here. This is your right side. No need to add from here. No need to start the addition from 1000 place. You have to add the value from right hand side, means from 1 place. So first you 1 place, after that 10 place, after that 100 place, and after that 1000 place. Like this way you have to add the 4-digit number addition. So in examination this type of problem is coming, means simple addition is there like this way also. 2-digit number means 4-digit number, 3-digit number addition you have to add like this way value. The addition, in case of addition of 4-digit also word problem is also there. Okay, if the total, if you have to take the one example, if the total number of the boys in standard 3B, you have to take your example, the total boys number in 3rd standard is 3249 and girls is 2400. No, it is so big one, you have to take small quantity. 20, no doubt, you have to take that number also, no doubt. And girls is 2429. Okay, so this is the total set. Means those so many sections are there in that school. You have to consider that so many sections in that school. The total number of the student in standard 3 means boys is 2492 and girls is 2429. So which way are you going to solve this problem? This is a word problem, consider that. So which way are you going to solve? Total numbers of boys in 3rd standard. What is the total number here? 2492. Okay, and the total numbers of girls, in 3rd standard is equal to 2429. So this is total number. So you have to keep this value in word form. Okay, so after that you have to do the addition. 2492 plus 2429. This is the addition. You know that. So this is the 1 place, this is the 100 place, this is the 10 place, this is the 100 place, and this is the 1000 place. See, 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 you have to keep here and carry 1 here. Okay, so 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 here, again you carry 1 here. Okay, so 1 plus 4 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the total strength of the standard 3rd? The total strength of the standard 3rd. Then lastly you have to write the total strength, and you can say the total students in standard 3rd is equal to 4,921. Total students in standard 3rd is 4,921. Like this way you are going to solve the addition problem. Okay, in word also and number also. Okay, same thing, means you have to add that number in proper way. Now our second point is that properties of addition. If you are going to solve any type of the addition problem or any type of the subtraction problem, there are some properties. So see, you are going to discuss the property, first property here. If you have to take the example of 4 plus 5. See students, you have to take the simple example here, 4 plus 5. So what is the addition of this two number? 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Or if you take 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is also 9. So same answer is there. What I do here, just I change the numbers. So what you say, what you conclude, you have to say that in case of addition problem, the answer will be changed if you change the order. I change the order here, 4 plus 5 and 5 plus 4. So in case of the addition problem, if you change order of numbers, the answer will be the same. The answer will be same. Answer is same if you change the order. You have to take the other example here, 29 plus 20. So what is the answer? 9, 49. Again here, if you change the order, 20 take first and 29 is here. So simple, addition is 49. So answer will be the same if you change the order. If you change the order. Is it clear? Our second, if just I take the second another example here. If I add 4 plus 0, means 4 plus 0 means 4. 4 minus 0 is equal to 0. Means if I add 0 in any number, the answer will be the number itself. That number itself. If I subtract 0 from any number, the answer is always the number itself. These are the properties of the addition. Okay, these are the properties of addition. Okay, so are you understood about the additions of the positive numbers and the properties of the addition? It is a simple way. You have to solve this type of problem of addition. Now our next term is the subtraction. So you know that this side we are going to use for subtraction. If you are going to solve the subtraction problem, subtraction means what? You have to minus that value. Okay. So subtraction. Simple. In previous class also you already learned about the subtraction problem up to the 3-digit number. Just I take the one example here. Which we are going to solve the subtraction problem? Same here. Those things you are applying addition, that things you have to apply here also. Stepwise you have to go, you have to arrange this value. I arrange this value 292 and 181. I arrange this value simply. 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Mean answer will be the 111. Same thing you are going to use in 4-digit number. If I add here, if I minus here some number, so see here, this is one example which way you are going to solve this subtraction problem. 2420 and 1242. So see, you have to arrange this value 1110 and 0. Like this we are going to arrange this value. So can you subtract 0? Can you subtract 2 from 0? No. That's why you have to carry here 1. This value become 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. This is our second step. In first step you arrange this value. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 2 minus 1 is 1. Can you subtract 4 from 1? No. That's why again you have to take here. So value become what? Value become 12. So what we do? 12 minus, again you have to take here 1. So value become 12 is 12 minus 1 here. Again you have to take simple. Just wait. So see here 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. So again you have to take this value in lower side also, no problem. 10 minus 2 is 8. So now again you have to take 2 means 12 minus 4 plus 5 means 12 minus 5 is 0. Okay. Again after that 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So like this way. So 2 minus 1 is 1 is like this way we are going to arrange this value. So answer is 1178. Like this we are going to solve the subtraction problem also. You carry this. Okay. In case of so many here means lots of problem, you have to solve the word problem also. If the population of the one village are given, okay, if the population of the one village is 4,237, 4,837. From that, the numbers of male are given. The numbers of male is 2,989. So which way you are going to solve this problem? So you have to write down the word problem. Total number of population in that village, total number of population in that village is equal to 4,837. Okay, and total numbers of male are given. You have to find out the female. Total numbers of males. Total numbers of male is 2,989. This is our simple way. So which way you are going to arrange? 4,837 minus 2,989. So you have to keep this value in proper way. Means 1 place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Can you subtract the 9 from 7? No. That's why you have to take here 1 means value becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay. So now can you subtract this? Means can you subtract 3? 9 plus 1 is here. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 1 means 9. Can you subtract 9 from 13? No. That's why you have to take is 13. So now 13 minus 1 means 12. Means 12 minus 8 is 4 here. Okay. Again you cannot subtract 9 from 8. That's why you carry here. Again 1 means value become 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 18 minus 1 is 9. And again the value now 3 here. Because you have to subtract this. Means you have to subtract 1 also. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 1948. Like this way you are going to solve the subtraction problem. Okay. If by practice you solve this type of problem, then there is no problem about the solving of subtraction and addition. It is very simple term. Okay. After that combined operation is there. So what is this combined operation? Combined operation means what? Both this plus and sign. Plus and minus sign are coming in one type of problem, that is called as the combined operation. Combined operation means what? Combined operation means what? In this, if suppose you have to take this value. Listen, here combined word is there, means here plus sign is also here and minus sign is also here. So which way you are going to solve this type of problem? So you have to use the bracket. Use of bracket. Use of bracket. So which way you have to solve this problem? So answer. Which way? 324 plus 320 minus 420. See, this one is plus sign and this one is also minus. This one is minus sign. But here 3024 no sign in front of this value, means you have to consider that this is the plus 324. So you use the bracket here. You have to, if you use the bracket here, then there is no problem of the confusion of the sign. which sign is there, means plus is here or minus is there. Simple way, using the bracket you can make your problem very easily. Easy way you are going to solve that problem. 324 and 320. What is the addition of these two numbers? 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6. In simple it is 644. 644 minus 420. Now you subtract the addition of, you want to take the addition of 2-digit number in this bracket, and after that, after this addition you have to minus this value. So which way you are going to solve this problem? So 424 minus 0 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2. Means our answer is 224. Like this way you are going to solve the combine operation. Combine means both the addition or subtraction you have to solve in one type of problem, that is called as the combine operation. Okay, so students, so this is all about the addition and subtraction. Same things you are going to use here. You have to take the recapitulations of this, what you have to learn in this addition and subtraction. When you add the any number, when you add any number, you add 0 in any number, the answer is always the number itself. When you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is always the same. Our second thing is that property you have already learned. So which type of property? If you arrange the order, the answer will be same. Answer will be same. And if you add the 0 in any number, the answer is always the same. After that, what you learn here you have to, if you solve the addition and the subtraction problem, you have to go stepwise. Which way? First you arrange this value properly. First you arrange this value in proper way. Proper way means first 1 place, after that 10 place, after that 100 place, and after that 1000 place. And you have to going to solve that problem in right side. Means right side means 1 place first, after that 10 place, after that 100 place, and after that 1000 place. This is the proper way of the solving of the addition and the subtraction problem. Okay. After that, same thing you are going to apply in subtraction of the 4-digit number. Properly you have to keep that value in their proper place. After that you have to subtract the value from the 1 place. After that you have to subtract the value from the 10 place. After that 100 place, and after that 1000 place. Okay. Now our next term is the combine operation. In case of combine operation, you are going to use the bracket. Use of bracket. If the two operations are given here, which type of the two operation here? For plus and this minus. Both the operation you are going to solve in one problem. So at that time, no problem of creation of the creation is there. That's why you are going to use the bracket. Bracket, if you are going to use the bracket, then our problem is you have to solve in very easy way. You have to keep this value in proper place, means you have to use the bracket. After that addition value you have to keep in one bracket, or when the value are minus, then minus value or minus value you have to keep in one bracket, and after that remaining value you have to keep in next side. Okay, or you can say after that bracket. Okay, and in this way you have to solve the problem. So in this also there are the word problem is going to solve. Lots of word problem are there. So like this way you have to understand. I hope that you have to understood the addition and the subtraction term very clearly. Okay, because this term you are very familiar about the addition and the subtraction word. But in previous means up to 2nd standard you simply learn about the addition of 3-digit number. But now you are going to study here in this 3rd standard addition of the 4-digit number. Okay, so this is all about the addition and the subtraction, students. Thank you very much.